Hi there and welcome back. Lots to do this time. The fence needs a final coat of paint. I will prepare everything in the bathroom for plumbing, and hopefully I will be able to install the last window. So let's get started. Our clematis is always the last one to blossom in summer. Like a real lady, she prefers a later but more impressive appearance. Talking about impressive, I'm still in love with this spray gun. In the comments, someone wrote last week that he was a bit surprised because some weeks ago I mentioned that I hate painting. And yes, I still do. But spraying is something different. What you see now in time-lapse was in real time nothing more than maybe an hour. Everything went smoothly and in a jiffy. This kind of painting is fine with me. From joyful work in the sun to solid work in the dirt. Now that my idea to smoothen the bathroom walls turned out as not doable, I decided to put plasterboard on the wall. Not to lose too much space, I have to cut some grooves into the brick wall for the plumbing. And as a typical German, I need a blueprint first. This is where the main water pipe will come into the house. Cold water goes to the tankless water heater. Warm water runs to the sink. Cold water to the toilet. And warm and cold water to the shower. Keep in mind, this is the before André. At this point, I decided to stop filming cause A, it ruins the camera, and B, you won't see anything anyway. This is the after, André. Before, after. Almost 20 years older. I decided to continue with the new bathroom window in the rear wall. Nothing easier than this. After several windows, I'm already a pro. Exchanging this window all in all took me round about an hour. But just watch. After nearly 1.5 years, Udo invited all the neighbors for dinner in his yard. Now that the COVID numbers are very low here in Germany, we can meet again, have fun and celebrate life. And man, we did. Have a good week, everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy.